Oh, that's disgusting. What's the expiration date on these things? That's expired. Checking expiration dates. That's really expired.
Let's see, when you say really expired, what do you mean really expired?
It says October of 12?
So,
Is bologna supposed to be this
Four
color? Toss it. This is empty! God. Oh god.
the smells are starting to combine in the trash can.
I know. I don't know how I'm gonna get this out. Somewhere in this one. I want to throw away someone's silverware.
We should open up some of these containers.
No! Still don't know what to do with that.
Well, the sign says, we have no problem throwing away Tupperware if something is growing inside.
I know, but I don't
And it
know.
looks like there's something growing inside that. Hold on, what's in that? It just looks gross.
Do I open it?
Open it, let's see what's in there. Let's see if it's...
It's crunchy.
See if it knows its name.
Oh! I don't think that's still.
Oh. That's gross.
Oh my god, it smells so bad. I think